Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the best promo codes for Codecademy. So first of all, make sure to go to their website and click on pricing. Once you click on that, scroll down until you find the frequently asked questions section. And then here, you will see a drop-down menu for do you offer a student discount, military, first responders, and healthcare workers, and also for these people receiving government assistance. If you are one of these people, then you can click on the drop down menu and click the link here. Click here to join Codecademy Pro student. If you are a military or a first responder or a healthcare worker, click on this link. And then if you're one of the people who are receiving government assistance, click this link. So basically that's it for the official discounts for Codecademy. And then here are some third-party discounts. Here is the coupon today. Just click search on codecademy.com, and here are the codes that you can apply. So just click this big green button, and then here's your code. Make sure to try all of these codes listed on their website. And then here also on coupon follow, click on the show coupon code. It will show the code and copy it to Codecademy promo code section. Basically that's it.